Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 24 Anthony Crescent, a wonderful 3-bedroom semi-detached family home tucked away in a popular residential location which is very quiet and peaceful indeed. Coming straight through into the main entrance hallway space here, we're going to go through on the left hand side and take a look at the lounge dining space before heading through into the cloakroom, the kitchen, and then to go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. So coming through into the lounge dining space here on the left hand side, lovely open space, dual aspect there with the windows to the front and of course the sliding doors to the rear, just overlooking that back garden space that we'll go through and take a look at a little bit later on. Plenty of room to work with here for the dining room table and the lounge furniture, lots and lots of light coming through, and of course that beautiful exposed parquet flooring there on the ground. Coming back out into the main entrance hallway space, it gives us a good chance just to go and take a look at the cloakroom. Very convenient to have it on the ground level as well, with of course the loo on the right hand side and the sink on the left. Let's go through and take a look at the kitchen next up before heading upstairs to take a look at the bedrooms. The kitchen space itself does come with a lot of room to work with, lots of worktop space as well as storage, with the access into the rear garden and plenty of space for white goods as well as a range of fitted appliances as well. So let's head upstairs next and take a look at the bedrooms. So here we are upstairs, and we're going to take a look through into one of the 2 double bedrooms here that we've got on the first floor of the property. So wonderful double-sized space here with lots and lots of storage already fitted, with the bridging unit just above and that lovely big window there to the front. We'll go through and take a look at another brilliant sized room. Next up, just coming out on the left hand side, this time again another double sized room. Plenty of room there for the double bed as well as plenty of storage, and again this time we've got the view over into the rear garden. Now we're going to go through and take a look at bedroom number 3 up next, slightly smaller than the first 2 bedrooms that we've taken a look at, and then of course we'll go through into the main family bathroom before heading out into the rear garden. So heading back out onto the landing just at the other end of the property, we can see here a good sized single room, easily used either as a bedroom or a study space depending on what you need. Coming back out onto the landing, we'll go through and take a look at the main family bathroom, and I'll leave you for a few moments in the rear garden just to take that space in before recapping a few points on the property. So here we are in the rear garden at number 24 Anthony Crescent, and this does give us a good chance just to recap a few points on the property and wrap up today's tour. So this 3-bedroom semi-detached family home tucked away in a wonderfully private location does give us a lot to think about. We've got that wonderful lounge dining space to the front, as well as that fantastic sized kitchen, and the bedrooms upstairs a wonderful size, and the main family bathroom. So I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.